How long does an inheritance dispute take? Have you ever wondered how long it might take to resolve an inheritance dispute? The answer is not straightforward, as it can vary greatly based on several factors. The complexity of the estate, the nature of the disagreement, and how willing the parties are to negotiate all play a role in determining the timeline. For simpler estates with clear wills and few assets, disputes may be resolved in about 6 months. These cases usually involve straightforward distributions without much conflict among heirs. However, when disagreements arise, such as challenges to the validity of a will or disputes over asset valuations, the timeline can extend significantly. The process typically begins with a filing deadline for contesting a will, often around 6 months from when the will is admitted to probate. This sets the stage for any litigation to start. Once a dispute is officially initiated, the litigation process unfolds in several stages. The first stage involves motions and hearings. Legal motions, like requests to dismiss the case, requiring time for briefing and scheduling. Depending on the court's availability, this phase can take several months. Next comes the discovery phase, which is often the longest part of the process. During discovery, parties gather evidence, take depositions, and exchange information. This can last anywhere from a few months to over a year, especially if the estate is large or complicated. Many inheritance disputes are resolved before reaching trial through negotiation or mediation. If the parties are open to compromise, this can significantly shorten the timeline, sometimes resolving the case within a few months. If a settlement cannot be reached, the case moves to trial. The trial itself may last days or weeks, depending on the number of witnesses and the complexity of the case. After the trial, appeals can add another year or more to the timeline. Overall, inheritance disputes can take anywhere from several months to multiple years. Complex cases involving multiple parties or contested wills tend to take longer. From a family dynamics perspective, the length of an inheritance dispute can have emotional and relational impacts. Prolonged disputes may strain intergenerational bonds and create lasting divisions among family members. Therefore, pursuing mediation or settlement early can help maintain family harmony while resolving financial disagreements. Clear communication and legal guidance throughout the process are essential for managing both the timeline and the family dynamics involved.